How to stop message request on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to stop the message request that you are receiving, then all you have to do is open up your Messenger app, and after that on the upper left corner you will have a three-barred icon. Tap on that, and then on the right corner you will have settings. Tap on settings, and if you scroll down you will find privacy and safety. Tap on that, and before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here you will have message delivery. Tap on message delivery, and on the first option you will have friends of friends on Facebook. So tap on that, and then if you want to stop message request, then you can tap on don't receive request, and after that here tap on update settings, and then you will turn off the request from others on Facebook. So that's how you do it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.